I want to go and cut my hair.
And a sinner, cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you.
Hey, Vanessa, because I'm Bruno here.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh.
So hi besties, hi loves, you're welcome to today's video. It's a new vlog. So please do well to like, subscribe and comment. Okay, so I am off to the barber shop. Yes, I want to go and cut my hair. I've longed to do this. I don't know, I'm so scared to do this. It's not like I've never been on low cuts. I was on low cuts, but that's been years ago, and that was in secondary school, you get. So it's a new thing. Let's just put it that way. It's a new thing. So I want to cut my hair because I actually found out that the relaxer has been doing so much damage in my scalp. No matter the kind of relaxer it is, even if it's a very expensive relaxer, the cheapest, the most expensive, is always disturbing my scalp. It's not about burning, but it gives my scalp this kind of sensation. Like even right now, if I touch it, it hurts me. So I just want to let my hair breathe a little bit, you get. And I'm cutting my hair. Yeah, I don't know. That's just it. I'm going to be on low cuts for a while before I do natural hair. Probably wig, because I can't go. Okay. Let me just go and put in my earrings and I'm off to go. So rings. Just bracelets. This handbag. That's it. Off we go. Wish me luck, cause I need this luck. Let this baba not bab rubbish for me. Very good.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she.
I finally cut my hair, and this is the end result. It's dark right now, so it took time to actually cut this hair. This is 23. Do I regret doing this? Not really. Nah, the style is it's just there. It's okay. I like it. It's chic. So that's just about it. I couldn't do my nails today because of time, so I guess maybe tomorrow or next I'll do that. So hi loves, I want to actually dress them up to school first, then take them to school because today is their cultural day and already they are late. So I want to dress them up, drop them at school, then go to their school for the event and all of that. So let me just dress them up sharply.
Like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And
I'm dressed like a Yoruba girl.
But you're not a Yoruba girl.
I'm a Yoruba girl.
You're an Igbo girl.
No. I'm a Yoruba girl.
So I'm all dressed for the cultural day. Let me just show you guys my outfits. Let me just come off fully. So we should wear something traditional. So I'm just having this adire and ashoke.
even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running and tell her that you.
Vanessa, because I'm Bruno here. Our Lord, please Don't waste her time. God bless you, man. Oh, a good woman coming from the Lord. How you walk?
So we came to this place to have breakfast. I don't know the name exactly. Oh, come here, don't forget.
If I tell you my life story, my brother, you go cry. Me self when they tell them, I don't nearly die. If poverty get registered, my name will be number 1. Oh. I don't suffer so I win award. Oh. Anywhere money go, I go follow up. Anywhere where this money hide, I go catch up. This how or that how, anyhow yaga yaga. Chase the money, get the money, anyhow yaga yaga. This way or that way, anyway.
Hi besties, so you're welcome to another vlog. I want to go to the market and I'm having a boil under my eye. I know it's so obvious, anyway, it's obvious, and it hurts me a lot. I don't know, I'm always having eyeballs. It's actually annoying. So I want to quickly rush to the market, go and buy meat and some other things. So let's go.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, there's nothing wrong with where you live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Don't you find out to see them all? Let's take nothing to say, nothing to. 'Cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall. That's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Oh, drowning in my tears at night. Haunted by the limelight. Ooh, you are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I found.
Hi guys.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So join us on an outing with a mom of 3, and this is my little baby. I mean, she can pass as 9.
Please subscribe, like, comment and engage on our channels, okay?
You are the light I searched all over, not like Jehovah.